Hey guys, this is Poonam Nahar. I hope you all are doing good. As you all know, we have come up with an exciting series. This is the second video, that is 5 ways to start a side hustle. So if you're just dropping in, do hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Starting a side hustle can accomplish a wide range of personal as well as professional goals. If you always want to start a side hustle but did not know how to begin, this video may be helpful. During these unusual times, we all are realizing the value of side hustle as an extra source of income. This pandemic has forced us all to rely largely on virtual interactions. To start with a side hustle, we have to adapt this new normal way of living because adaptation is the crucial way of success. So, without any further delay, let's begin with the 5 ways to start a side hustle. The first way: dream big but start small. So, it is easy to get lost in the big picture of a side business, but doing a side hustle can be daunting. So, break it down into small actionable steps, and if you're able to do that and maintain a consistency, then you'll achieve a good progress. You don't have to be afraid of the situations, neither you have to wait for a perfect time. It's time for all of us to shake our body, mind and soul to set us on the journey of our dreams. This is only the time where we can start our side hustle and achieve our dreams. Think big, dream big, but start small. Start with who you are, with what you can do, what you have. Identify your skills, research upon it, analyze it, take actions, take decisions, and the things which you can do for a longer term and enjoy it. So now let's move on to the second way, that is tame the time crunch. It is the period where pressure to succeed is great, often towards an end of undertaking. To carve out times, you need to set out boundaries to your daily work routines and eliminate all the activities which sucks your time and give you no benefits. So remember, time is something to be guarded and doled out efficiently. So there is a saying that time is what we want the most, but we use the worst. So utilize the time you get in most of the good things and side hustle that benefits you and you love the most. So the point number 3, that is explore your potential. You don't need to be good by trying to be good. Just find the goodness that is within you. Don't doubt yourself because you're more than enough. Explore your potential. When it is time to shine, shine the brightest. Everyone has inside them a piece of goodness. A goodness that you don't know how great you can be, how much you can love, how much you can accomplish, what are your skills, how you can utilize it, and which gives you a lot of benefits, and what your potential is. When you catch a glimpse of your potential, that is when your passion is born. Set a goal to work towards. Make a success list. Then set your own benchmark. Way number 4. Make the most of every moment. Make your every moment count to make your side hustle count. Set aside the specific chunk of your day where you do nothing but only the side hustle work. Schedule your side hustle time into your calendar just like you would schedule an important appointment with your valuable client. Doing the first thing in the morning before any other obligations come in your way. Just remember, think that this stuff should be get done because this works. But if you'd rather prefer to work right after your work or daily routine or late night, then more power to you. Whatever works for you, but consistency is the best choice. When you're working, then make the most out of it. Do whatever it takes to produce a focused output. Then only your hustle will pay off faster. So here we come to our last point or last way to start a side hustle. Point number 5, maintain a balanced workload. As you take on more gigs, you may find yourself getting more work requests and this may add on. Hold accountably to yourself while taking up more work and maintain a balance between burning out and time for self. Don't overcommit anything relating to the work to do, and remember to make a schedule or take out some time for self, that is for exercise, yoga, meditation and any other self-care or works you want to do or you wish to do. An excellent way to retain a manageable schedule is to set simple and attainable objectives for both work and personal life. For example, work for 5 days a week, that is your work life, and enjoy your weekends, that is Saturday and Sunday, and that is your personal life. The ongoing economy is making more easier than ever to use your talents and skills to make more money. As you have enough time to work from home, hone your current talents or skills or simply diversify your workloads. Use these 5 simple ways to start a side hustle and get going happily with your routine. This is all for today's video. Stay tuned for the next video about 5 ways to make big in career. Do subscribe and share as much as you can. Until then, bye-bye.